My name is Nader Bakhos. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Hackensack Meridian Health. My practice is at Riverview Medical Center. My philosophy is you explain to people what their options are, answering questions and explaining their condition, and you let them decide, what they feel is best. That's what's different about orthopedics is, for the most part, we're not dealing with life-threatening conditions. It's mostly lifestyle, activity level kind of conditions. My philosophy is you gotta give people the chance to make their own decisions about their care. The most exciting technology is the robotic-assisted hip and knee replacements that I do. It makes the surgery more precise, decreasing length of stays after surgery, making the recovery from surgery quicker and easier, less painful. What I am most proud of is the reputation that I've established over the past 15 years of being someone that will listen, someone that, explains things well, and that I give people a lot of choice in deciding, what they want to do. What I look forward to most is just checking on my patients, seeing how everyone is doing, especially, after surgery, and making sure that everyone is progressing the way that they should be.